Lumsciope's Advanced Upper Arm Blood Pressure Monitor is a fully automatic unit intended for the non-invasive measurement of systolic and diastolic arterial blood pressure and pulse rate in adults. This fully automatic unit makes blood pressure management simple with ease of use, convenient features, and helpful classifications of blood pressure measurements. When preparing to take a blood pressure measurement, remember to wait at least 30 minutes after finishing a caffeinated drink or cigarette before measurement. Sit down in a chair in a comfortable position with your elbows placed on a table and both feet on the ground. Do not interlock your legs during the measurement. Sit with your hand relaxed, your arm extended in front of you and palm facing up. Ensure the circumference of your upper arm is within applicable cuff range. Plug the tube connector into the cuff socket securely. Put your bare-skinned or thinly clothed left arm through the cuff, with tube located at the middle of your inner arm and aligned to your middle finger. Fasten a cuff with its bottom edge approximately an inch, 2 to 3 centimeters, above your elbow. Ensure the cuff is not wrapped too tightly. Sit upright and steadily rest your forearm on a table with the cuff at heart level. Press the power button to start automatic measurement. The measurement can be interrupted any time by pressing the power button again. When the measurement is completed, the systolic pressure, diastolic pressure, and pulse rate will be displayed. The display will indicate which category your blood pressure reading belongs to, according to the classification defined in 1999 WHO ISH guidelines for management of hypertension. Optimal and normal categories are indicated with green, high normal category is indicated with yellow, and grade 1 through 3 hypertension categories are indicated with red IPD. Press the power button to turn off the device, or it will turn off automatically after 150 seconds non-operation. Readings will be saved into memory automatically while powering off. When using the memory feature, press the user button to select the desired user number for memory recall. Press the memory button to show the latest 3 readings average, then press the memory button again to recall the last reading stored in memory. Press the memory button repeatedly to recall the next set of previous readings. Press the power button to exit memory function. When using the average mode feature, press and hold the user button for 3 seconds to enter average mode from standby mode. The latest 3 readings will display -L03, press the user button to show 7-day, -D07, 14-day, 21-day, and 28-day, -D28, all-day average sequentially. Press the memory button to show morning, evening, and all-day average sequentially. For example, the last reading average in the morning, AL03, and 7-day night average, PL03. To exit average mode, press the power button. Blood pressure varies naturally depending on the time of day and is affected by many factors. Blood pressure is usually highest at work and reaches its lowest level during sleep. Blood pressure measurements should be assessed by a physician or trained healthcare professional who is familiar with your medical history. If you use the unit and regularly record the results, keep your physician informed of any changes in your blood pressure.